everybody, welcome to another episode on how to make money online with ease. Here's the first video on CPA course, and I'm going to teach you some methods how you can make money with CPA. If you never heard what is CPA, it is basically you have offers, you promote your offers, and your job is to make conversion, right? So conversion is like lead, if someone enters email or someone enters a phone number or complete some survey, or can be enter a credit card. It depends on the offer, right? And you can choose that and you can earn by that. You don't need to sell it. You don't need to sell it to anyone. Like affiliate marketing and CPA, you can just conversion, just choose your own way how is gonna people convert, and you can make that money like that. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna show you some CPA networks that I know, that I'm signed up and I think are popular, and there are many others, but I heard of this, and yeah, probably you heard of it as well because it's very popular. And of course, okay, now I'm on site Offer Vault, and this site is basically you can find your offers. It doesn't matter if you don't know affiliate networks, you can find affiliate networks and just sign up on these. You can just go for example this first offers 400 and join now, and you're gonna go to see sign up today, and you can sign up as much as you can on these affiliate networks. And I really suggest you do that, because when you sign up as many affiliate networks as possible, you can pick an offer that is really suitable for you, and it's really good offer, and there are a lot of offers and you can choose the best one or as your requirements, right? So Offer Vault, yeah, and you can find offers and just type it like, I don't know, adult, and you can pay out some, I don't know, find adult dating marketing, and you can find the here you go, and you can find offers specifically for you, right? So I don't know, health, yeah, you can find and pay out this here. This is basically for selling. Usually when its payout is high, this offers there's lead, they're like $1, $2, $3, usually $2-3 lead there, enter the email someone there, and there is a like difference between you, there's some SOE, there's single opt-in, like when someone enters email, it doesn't matter if he or she confirms that email or not, you're gonna get paid, right? But there's a DOE, there's a double opt-in, and the person that submits his or her email needs to confirm on their, like, confirm that email, that is, click the link on their inbox and confirm it, right? So to make it short, this video, here's the Offer Vault. It's a basically good site to find these offers, affiliate networks as well. But I'm now gonna show you some of them, some affiliate, some CPA networks that I personally use, and basically some of the process how you can sign up and how difficult it is to sign up. So the first on the list, I would say CPA Grip. If you never heard of what is CPA Grip, it's basically a CPA network, and it's basically really simple to sign up. it's easy as possible. Let's go to register. Just go cpagrip.com and you can just fill out this form: first name, last name, publisher type, email or other, it doesn't matter, email address, company doesn't matter, password, website. They do not require to have a website for you. So yeah, confirm password, street address, this is your country, city, state, and Skype. You have, obviously you have to have Skype. Choose a time zone and you're registered now, and you're basically registered as soon as when you click this register now, you're basically registered. So you doesn't need to require some extra steps to be right. So this is CPA Grip is really good, you should try it. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some others. Also, is it possible CPA Lead? CPA Lead is basically sign up is easy, literally easy. You can just fill out this form as this and you're ready to go, right? So basically their CPA Lead you can try also. I really recommend for Content Locker. There's a lot of content lockers here, really good. Or also CPA Grip, both of them, all of these are really good CPA networks. Adwork Media, they okay, now first of all I will show you Crack Revenue. It's basically also the easy to sign up, and there's some of them also fill just form. They're gonna wait you for a couple days and they're gonna enter you and you'll sign up, like you can promote. So basically this Crack Revenue is for adult marketing. They have a basically really good adult offers, right? So yeah, I really suggest that if you're into that adult stuff. So yeah, affiliates also, it's easy to sign up. It's easy to sign up. I think you're a bot. I don't know why is that, but yeah, it just get started and it's easy to sign up. I don't know why it's showing you someone's bot. I'm detected as bot. Okay, never mind. You can try it by yourself, and it's also easy to sign up. But there's a lot of offers there, and try that out as well. Okay, now I'm gonna show you some. As already I showed you, Adwork Media. This is a little bit complicated because you have to have website. In that case, you have to just go to publishers. In that case, you can put in your Facebook account or Facebook account or some other sites. Okay, first name, last name, email address, password as usual. Okay, company, zip code, state, phone, promotional style. You can just affiliate, network, agency, incentive, traffic, no, main URL, main website to the how did you find us, current networks. You just type it like other current networks or just pick some of them. So main URL, you can don't put a, don't put that, or just pick Facebook. Promotion methods, you can say I mainly use free traffic. That's what I'm going to teach you on this course. On Facebook, Instagram, and so on. Okay, now for that you can just, if you're not fluent in English, if you're not fluent in English, or English is not your native language, you can use this tool that I'm always using it when I'm going to type something in English, and you can use this to basically type in your own way, and they're gonna they're gonna paraphrase that and make it like more proficient, right? So you can type it like I use free traffic on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. It's something you just say some positive words about them. I heard some good words about AdWork Media, and I'm really motivated to promote your offers. Just say something good, and in my case, you can use a paraphrase. And on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and then I primarily used free traffic. I've heard wonderful things about AdWork Media, and I'm excited to promote your service. See, you can just use this cool button if your English is not good, and you just type it here, copy paste it, and submit application, and they're gonna review it, and you can see if you're accepted or not. For this AdWork Media, I tried it and put some URL like YouTube video, YouTube channel, and then it didn't accept me. So yeah, it's a bit complicated, but just use your Facebook account or basically find some site or anything. A Facebook account, it will work out, I would say, right? And promotion methods, just type it whatever, like just say free traffic, Instagram, Facebook, I'm gonna promote the or you can pay traffic, Google Ads, they can accept that, and you're ready to go. So now it's next, algo affiliates. This one is also, it's not that, I think you don't need to have site for this site, or even if you need to enter a site, just go to Facebook or other site, just copy paste it, and they're gonna allow you. For this one is they're gonna contact you on Skype, and you have to answer some questions, just easy questions, yes, no, like what traffic are you, what is your traffic, how you're gonna promote as well, you can free traffic, just type it Facebook, Instagram, and they're gonna allow you. For this one, there's a lot of Bitcoin offers, and yeah, there's a lot of them offers, but Bitcoin usually mainly source for this algo affiliates. You should try that out. Okay, the next one is the last one, but not the least on this list, is Max Bounty, and this is one is the most complicated for all, because you have to be on the phone with them, like they're gonna contact you, and because I'm not in United States, you have to pay like that phone call, and they're gonna ask you some questions like how you're gonna promote as well. Do you have website? You can say like, no, I'm working on it, I'm making it right now, I'm gonna yeah, I'm making right now, and say something like that. They're gonna basically just answer some questions. Just what you need to do is good English, some, you know, they're gonna accept you. Just answer them questions, and that basically, how did you hear about us? How did you hear about us? It's like on YouTube, whatever. Just say it, and to be short and be sweet, all it is long. Just Max Bounty is a bit complicated, but yeah. Do you already have an account? No. And you can just fill out this form. This is easy as possible. Website, just pick someone on your Facebook account or some other website on Google, and yeah, and answer some questions. Facebook account, because they're gonna ask you, do you have a website? Just Facebook account, they're gonna, and yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you found it. Just find this offer vault. You can find CPA Affiliate Networks, and yeah, thank you so much for watching. This is the first episode on CPA course. I hope you did find a value in this video, and see you in the next one. I'm gonna show you how to promote some offers, how to find some offers promoted, free traffic, Instagram, Facebook, So stay tuned, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.